outside, and that video was from yesterday. I'm sorry, I can't do the sun, even though I do it almost every day. I can't do it today because it's snowing. Yeah, air resistance would be the thing. Oh, gravity is there. If there wasn't gravity, it would float into space. It would go as far away from the magnetic field as possible. But there's gravity holding it down. And what's holding it up is the electromagnetic field. And they're balanced. Right here, those two forces are balanced. Have you ever seen a magnet balance over another magnet that wasn't an electromagnet that was changing the oscillations? This does it without. Magnets do not lose energy over time. They can lose energy. They can lose their magnetic properties due to heat. Evra, welcome in. Philip, thank you. Yes, Judy, I have used radio telescopes. Maddie Matt, thank you. Jose, nothing would happen. Yes, it would. No, there is a force of centrifugal force that would come off the track if you go too fast. So there's not unlimited amount of force, but we can calculate how much force, how fast a train could go around the court, the puck. I gotta let it cool down. Alright, let's do the balloon. I'm gonna get some more liquid nitrogen out. Everybody, tap that screen. Let's get to 35,000 likes. This is how a lot of bullet trains work, are superconductors. So we use them in everyday life. Under the cold, creating, so the balloon shrinks, and then as it warms up, the air displacement, what we call, how cool is that? Alright, let me grab my puck out. The density of the helium changed when I cooled it. That sizzling noise is from the liquid nitrogen being heated. It sizzles just like water on a hot pan. This puck was probably 200 degrees below zero. The liquid nitrogen is minus 360 degrees. So that's the sizzling. AK Hunkin Girl, welcome in. Tap that screen, everybody, if you're having fun looking at superconductivity. do is I pour it in that gap in the puck so it can get inside where it can really cool the entire puck. How are you doing, AK? I want to thank all my subscribers, all my gifters. Thank you. What liquid nitrogen would do to mercury is just freeze it into a solid. That's all that would happen. Because mercury becomes a solid at about, I think, minus 80 degrees. And this is minus 360 degrees. It would just make it a solid. I don't like having mercury around. It is very, very toxic.